All right, the next technology I want to show you is called Classroomscreen, and this is just a website, and you can use this screen and put it up on a projector or a TV screen in your classroom, and you can use this to really help you with your classroom procedures or instructions and things like that. And so how it works is you can just add a lot of different things to these screens that you can put up in your class. You can change your background, you can make polls, QR code, you can put up images or text. So I can click this and I can just, so I'm a PE teacher, so I could put this up on the screen and say warm up and, jog, 2 laps, 20 jumping jacks and whatever else. So you can have instructions up here for the kids to follow. You could put items that they need to have with them or anything like that. And you can draw on here, pictures. You can have a traffic light, so you could use this for the sound level of your class that you want, or if they should be stopped or listening, or however you want to use the traffic lights. Timer, so this would be another big one for me in PE. A lot of times I'll do activities or competitions or things like that have timers involved, so I could put up a timer on the screen and have that going so that the kids can see it at all times, or a clock, and there's even more things you can do, but here's sound level actually, which is pretty cool. And so yeah, so that's kind of how it works. And so the audience for this could be anyone. It could be students if you're using in your classroom teaching. It could be for administrators if they're doing like a meeting or something like that. They can have things up here, and so really the audience could be anyone. The standards that correlate with this is I picked 3.4a, establishing infrastructure and systems to implement plans. So you can use this as a system to implement the plans of your classroom. And also 3.2a, using technology to improve student success in classroom work environment. So this is Classroomscreen. Thanks.